Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to sign up and create Loom account. First open your any browser, then search on Loom. Then click on first result loom.com. Then click on get Loom for free. Now you can sign up with your email address or you can sign up with Google. I am just clicking on sign up with Google. A new pop-up window open. Click on continue and read the terms and condition of loom.com. After reading that, click on I agree. How are you planning to use Loom for education? Continue. Continue. You can invite your teammate or you can invitation link, create invitation link here and click on not now. Now choose your recorder. You can choose Google Chrome extension, Loom Google Chrome extension or desktop app. I am choosing my Google Chrome extension. Click on install. It will be redirected on Google Chrome Web Store. Then click on add to Chrome. Add extension. Successfully added Loom extension on my Google Chrome. Now click on extension icon and pin it. Loom icon is here. Then click on allow microphone. Click on continue to workspace. Thank you.